In today's lesson, we are going to cover some things about your Chromebook keyboard that will help you be able to do your work more effectively. We are also going to talk about some features of text when you are writing or creating presentations that you might want to change. So let's get started. We're going to divide today's work into 3 lessons, and lesson 1 is going to cover how to use the Shift key, how to use caps lock, and how to use the enter key. So you can see the picture of the keyboard here. When you are writing, sometimes you need a capital letter, for example, at the beginning of a sentence or at the beginning of a proper noun. And on a Chromebook, or on any keyboard really, to make a capital letter, you hold down the Shift key, and you can see the Shift key on the picture. This is like your Chromebook keyboard. So the Shift key is on the left-hand side, and to create a capital letter, you'll hold down the Shift key while you tap the letter that you want to make capital. Here's an example of how that might look. So in my name, I want to begin with a capital letter, so I'm going to hold the Shift and click J, because my name starts with a capital J. I can type the rest of my name, and I'll space, and then Shift M for a capital M, C, and Shift C for the capital C that's in the middle of my name. And I can type the rest of my name and have the capital letters all in the correct place. So the Shift key makes a capital letter when you need one in the appropriate place. Another feature of your Chromebook that you will want to learn is how to use caps lock. On a traditional keyboard that you may have been used to using, there is one button that is a caps lock key that you can just tap, and then everything you type from that point forward will be in capital letters. That's not the case with a Chromebook keyboard. So you can see in this picture that I have for you, you are going to use a combination of 2 keys. You are going to press the Alt key and the Search key at the same time. It looks like a little magnifying glass here on the Search key. So we're going to press Alt, Search, and that turns on the caps lock feature. You don't have to hold them down. Just know that when you press Alt, Search, caps lock is enabled, and this is what it would look like. You can see the difference in the way my text looks. Now, to turn caps lock off, you simply click the Shift key, and you're turning off or disabling caps lock. Another feature that your teachers want you to know about is the Enter key, and the Enter key serves a couple of purposes. The Enter key on your keyboard is right here on the right hand side. That's the Enter key. So when you use the Enter key, it's going to do a couple of things. Look where my cursor is here at the end of my name. I'm about to hit the Enter key. The Enter key makes my cursor go to the next line. So if you are typing, and my caps lock is still turned on, if you are typing and you are ready to start a new line, you'll hit the Enter key, and you'll type what you want next. Now, the Enter key also does some other things on a computer. If you, for example, you're searching for something and you've typed something in your search bar, you'll hit Enter at the end of your search bar to tell the computer, ready, go search for this. But in text and in writing and in using docs or in your classes, the Enter key takes your cursor to the next line.